You just produced light.
What?
You went against his wishes.
He's not gonna kill me. I'm not this world's master. He can't do anything to me. Look at me. Can you kill him? Can we kill him?
Can we?
Yeah, we can't. I killed this guy on my first playthrough.
What is he? What's
Get
his
his ass.
deal? Oh god, his weapon is huge.
I think he's useless. I don't know.
Hit him. He's
It's an
blocking.
NPC,
He buried
so
me.
NPC.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Sorry guys. Are they still like mad at me?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck? We are actually so fucking bad at this game.
This area's kind of hard actually.
Oh, come on,
Can I-
man. Oh, light this torch. Light this torch. Oh,
Like a million
wait, it's summoned a
trillion
guy.
dollars.
It's summoned a guy. It's summoned
Summon
a guy.
somebody?
Oh, let's go. Kick it to
Oh,
that.
Ow.
I didn't even see him.
Sure. Oh my god.
Yo,
Where is he going?
Did you see that?
Why'd he?
slide?
Yeah, why'd he slide?
I saw
Yeah.
that.
There's a far wall here.
Okay.
Do I go in that now?
It's not a boss.
I don't know.
We can like drop down.
What is this?
Yeah,
Yeah, let's
just
do
drop
that.
down.
What about the wall? Okay.
It's like a little
Yo,
guy.
what is this? Yo, what is this?
He's like a little guy.
I can set it light. I can set light on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
What is that? What
no,
is
it
that?
turns
What is that?
It
What is
makes
that?
everything like
Oh.
light up, right? Yeah, see, there you go.
Oh, where'd Shroom go?
He's killing things.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, we gotta like not let him ring the bells or something. Okay, they rang a bell.
Oh!
Oh, is that you? Skeleton.
What the? There's just shit running around everywhere.
Madness. Skeleton.
What is that? Just a skeleton?
He should just fell over.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait, it's these two guys.
Didn't even see him.
Oh god. Is this the right? Is this the right?
Was that Euclid?
That's the wrong
No.
way. Hold on. Alright, here we go.
Fight him,
Ow! Oh my god! Oh my.
Okay. Okay.
Slamming
There's
us
like
together.
4 bells on here. We need to get down and scatter. Okay. There's like 4 fucking bells in there.
Oh.
Fuck, go.
Okay, scatter.
I
Okay.
got a one shot. Bro, fucking.
I died too.
Those
I died.
guys have fucking. What the fuck? Oh my god.
We gotta break these statues. These guys are cracked.
You died.
No, oh, almost. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's all the statues. Where's this guy coming from? Where
I'm
is
gonna
he
be at the
coming from?
bonfire. Do you know where the bonfire is? Find the bonfire.
I'm dead.
You died?
After we cleared it.
They actually did not fucking pay attention to me.
Don't
Incredible.
ring this bell. Don't ring this bell. Stop it. Where are we going?
It's this way, by the
Okay.
way. It's this way.
Let's just get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, these big guys.
Oh,
Oh god.
Oh, these guys are easy.
I got behind you.
Yes. Oh,
is that Dragon?
oh, wait, that's it. No, that's the boss. That's the boss. That's the boss.
boss?
Wait, somebody help. Somebody help. That's the boss.
That's a Dragon Slayer. Did someone ring the bell?
How am I alive? How am I alive?
I'm here.
Oh, God.
What is that? Hold on. There's a lot of things.
There's a fucking Dragon Slayer in here.
It's a Dragon Slayer. Wait, I can't. I'm playing too safe. I'm dead. Alright. Oh my lord.
Oh my.
We gotta do that
fucking
all over.
God.
Dragon Slayer there.
Man, this place
There you
is
are.
chewing us out.
Yeah, I told you it's hard.
It's hard in No Game Plus.
Yeah,
I like never struggle here, but they put a motherfucking Dragon Slayer there. You kidding me?
that's insane.
I think it's a good boost too.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
What the fuck?
Get
You
on.
went crazy.
Get on. That was so much
Yeah,
easier
man.
than last time.
Can we hurry up? I wanna fight Vestal.
Oh, alright, I'll just
Can
get
we
these
hurry
two.
up? Okay.
Yo, put
Can
some
you hurry
shoes on,
up?
man.
Skip.
Bishop.
I've seen this.
Cool.
I already seen this.
I wanna
already-
watch it.
Okay. Notice that his head looks like an arrow? That's kind of creepy.
Whoa, weird.
Kinda weird.
Never
This is
noticed
the
that.
easiest boss in the game. Hold on.
Is
let's
it?
Just, let's look. Yeah. Let's
Okay.
get this over with.
No,
I
he's
thought it was like
not.
supposed to be one of the
Yes,
harder
he
ones.
is. No, not at all. His attacks are super slow. And you could just walk, see?
Oh my god! You're fucking flat.
Okay, destroy him, destroy him, destroy him now, destroy him, destroy him.
What is he doing?
No,
Is he doing
just get him, just get
his
him. No,
iconic
no, it's
explosion
okay.
attack?
Kill him, kill him.
Okay, now watch out.
Wait, what?
Okay, okay,
Okay.
there we go. Oh. Ow. I just killed
Get
him.
his ass. Oh my
Oh,
god.
he killed me.
Oh my god, that was so close.
Oh!
Alright, Shrimp got him.
Alright, it's fine.
Wait.
Oh, oh.
Okay. Okay.
How do I do
Okay.
this? Okay.
Okay. I'll go with it.
Yay.
So
That's not
next
fair.
area, I guess. Aldia's Keep, Fort Garden. Let's go.
It's like steaming goblins in the road.
Hello? Steaming
They're like
goblin?
steaming.
for real?
They're like dogs.
What are you talking about?
You'll see.
Emmy, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful night.
Thanks.
Can you play some Eminem in like the video?
No.
Emmett, use your branch on this guy.
Aren't there shit that we need to light up here? Like,
Was there a purpose to that?
Check his loot.
Elizabeth Mushroom Wilted Dusk Herb.
Oh wait, it's the wrong one. Okay, do it on this one.
oh my
Do
fucking
it on this one.
Okay.
Bonfire Ascetic. 2.
2 of them, man. 2.
Wow. 2 branches, 2 Bonfire Ascetics.
Oh, it's disgusting and powerful. Let's kill it. Amen.
Oh my god, you actually. Oh my god!
Okay. Get his ass.
Oh god, this place. Okay, well hold on.
Help me! Help!
Oh, why is this like?
Help me! The fuck?
I'm not going in there.
Oh my god, my ring's broke!
Why is Clay
You're
just
lagging so
standing
bad.
still?
Yeah.
If you're gonna get in here, take off your rings.
I'm not
Okay.
going in there.
Okay.
No, come in here.
Come on, man. Get in here. Oh my god.
Come on in, the water's warm.
Okay.
The piss is warm.
This sucks, man.
No, get the items, man.
Okay.
Okay.
We clear it for you.
What are we doing here? Oh my god.
Well, let's go. Oh no, I'm fat rolling because I broke my fucking rings. So, okay, I'll do without pants.
Okay. Now you're really barefoot.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa!
What happened?
An ogre just busted down this door. Or a wall, not even a door. What is the point of this room? Oh,
I don't know. Oh my god!
there that is.
Okay, that's the point of the room.
I can't believe they fucking did it twice.
Yeah.
They did the fucking ogre thing twice, back to back.
They got me both times. Oh, this is beautiful.
This makes me wanna like go out there and like, I don't know, just see the forest.
See the world.
I look weird, man.
Let's beat this bird up.
Bird up.
Oh, this poor thing.
Yeah. Yep.
Ooh. So anticlimactic.
Okay. Wait!
Oh! God.
Ah, shit. Should we go to branch?
I don't.
No way. No fucking way. Okay, let's take a zip line then.
Maybe use 2 of them. Oh! that's that's true.
We did it. We did it. We got. I don't know. Okay, this area doesn't fucking matter. Let's do a dragon
Wait,
fight. It's more
I
fun.
gotta get the bonfire.
Why are they angry? They're angry. They're already angry. All of them.
Aren't they automatically angry, like always?
No.
Okay, hold on, I gotta talk to like the Scholar of the First Sin or whatever.
Yo, why are they going after me? Chill.
Alright, we'll lit the bonfire. What's going on out here? What's all the ruckus? The reason they're attacking is because they want
Okay.
fair fights, and summons aren't fair for the dragons. Or they're not considered fair.
My duty was fulfilled. I'm going back to my world.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
See ya.
Oh, me too.
Everybody left me!
Can you rush?
Okay.
Just rush the area, provoke the dragon, and then we can get like a proper summon. There's no boss until you provoke the dragon, so you can't use
Oh,
the big
so I
soup.
just-
oh.
needs
So
to
the
provoke
game
the
is I
dragon.
just run to like the boss arena, hit the dragon, and then I can summon you normally?
Yeah, just aggro the dragon, then summon us.
Okay.
I almost fucking killed him. This guy fucking sucks, man.
This dude psyched me out. Running away.
There we go.
Alright, he's aggroed. Oh no. One of your messages was rated? Congrats, man.
Dude, that's huge.
For making it out of the hood.
Shima, can you come to the bridge real quick? I'm in trouble.
Glad I heard you disguise yourself. You actually are in trouble.
Yes. Get his
God.
ass. Surprise! See, we did it. We got it.
Sucker punched him. There he is.
Oh, why did
Yo, I need help. I need help.
The summoning failed. The summoning failed. Did you lure them here on purpose?
No. Need help. Oh god. No, not this.
The dreaded stare.
Anything but
behind.
the.
Okay, we need to all
Oh
like
my
run
god, they're
together.
coming.
Oh no. No, we stay in. We fight.
I think we're actually doing.
What is buffed?
You can just run through. Oh yeah, he is buffed.
No, just run, just run. Don't fight him. Don't fucking fight
They're
him.
fighting him.
Oh my god.
We're fighting him. Me and Shiver killing him. Let's go.
It's like freaking swarming.
Oh damn, but there's a lot though. They're fast. Oh
So
shit.
fast and strong. I need to get stamina back.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, you know what?
Are you-
You know what? You know what's good actually in this situation? Hold on. Let me see. Lightning urns. Lightning urn. Oh, shit. Never mind. Never mind. It sucks. Never mind. It sucks. Somebody help. Somebody help.
Get back in the room. Go through the door and close it.
Go in the
He
room.
choked me. Oh god.
Oh, okay. Ow.
If you're still alive, can you like summon me when they go back to their
I
post?
tried to close the door.
Oh, are you kidding me? man?
I tried
I'm still
closing the
alive.
door and he killed me.
Okay, let's kill them. Let's kill them all.
Put your summon sign at the bonfire, and we'll run.
Okay, so we'll run and die like every time.
No,
Okay?
we'll run.
No, we'll stay and fight.
We need to be on the same
We'll
page.
stay and fight?
Oh. Yeah, no, bro. Oh my god. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him,
Yeah,
kill him. Kill him, kill him,
Oh,
kill him.
Ken Swig, die!
Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. I'm stunned. I'm dead.
Okay, we gotta make the run for it. We just gotta make the run for it, man.
That's what I'm saying.
This is shit. This sucks, man.
We have to stay and fight.
Stop saying that.
Come on, man. It's a noble play.
Mission. We reach it like legit at least once, and then we skip. Okay.
That's what I'm thinking of.
Okay. Oh shit!
Get him.
Yeah, bitch.
These guys roll. They're annoying.
Nice. Okay, let's go.
Are we,
Okay.
Are we
Run,
fighting them or running?
run.
Now we're fighting.
Fucking run.
No, we stay and
Okay,
fight. We stay and fight. We stay and fight. We stay and fight. It's like Avengers Endgame. It's like Avengers Endgame.
Yeah, but it's like, you know,
I'm so dead.
Don't close the door! Don't close the door! I swear.
This one guy's chasing me. You need to
Oh,
save
Emmett,
me.
you need to be alive, man.
I'm dead.
Oh.
Okay, we're running next time.
We stay and fight. No.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid anymore.
Yo.
I'll go my ass beat.
We got invaded by
You fall off the
Cosby.
bridge. I thought it said Cosby, and
I
I
did
got like
too.
kind of concerned. Where is he?
We're, yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, here.
I'm cool with never seeing him.
I can't heal.
Cause the invasion?
Wait, we can heal through spells. Shroom can use a spell.
Oh, but yeah, can I have a...
Heal him.
Thanks.
Nice.
Wow, that's
Like-
a full heal?
Awesome.
Wow.
The
Okay.
fact that we can't like, I don't see. Where is he? It's scary.
I don't know. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Just hang back. We'll kill him.
No!
Where is the guy?
We gotta go get
Come
Sia
summon
back.
me,
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah. Maybe we'll see him down there.
You think so?
I don't know.
If he's waiting along with the like 30 fucking like Thanos Knights, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna
If he's
fight
in the
him.
crowd.
He probably is. I
Oh,
feel like
no.
he probably is.
I don't
Let me
mind.
turn on voice chat. Bill Cosby has to have this voice chat. Like, hello, hello,
Is it proxy or is it like?
hello. I think it is. I think it's for say hello. Where are you? Hello. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you, bro. Where the fuck are you? No, bro. He's gonna be in here.
Hold on,
Listen,
hold on, hold on.
listen. If you're like over there, right? If you're like next to this door and there's like 30 Dragon Knights, like you're gonna kick our asses. We'll fight you one-on-one. I promise. Pinky promise. Like I for real. Okay. I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna let you through, and you're gonna like 1v1. Like, yeah. Okay, yeah. Get in here, bro. Come on. Oh fuck no.
Where,
Yeah, I
where
saw
is he,
that.
man?
Okay.
Where is he?
I feel like he's behind
Okay,
us.
Not there. He's
Where
nowhere.
is he?
That's fine with
Is
me.
that him?
Nah.
God, what?
Bro,
Oh, let's leave. Let's go around. Let's go around. Let's leave.
Shroom.
Get in, get in, get in.
Tunnel him.
get
Tunnel him. Tunnel him. Tunnel him.
in. Close the door, close the door, close the door. Okay, run. And
Okay,
then
yeah,
close
just
this one.
tunnel.
Run and
Yeah,
close
yeah.
this one.
Okay. Okay. We
Well,
stay and
well.
fight.
Okay.
Oh shit!
Through.
Destroy him.
Get his ass.
Destroy him. Oof.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Can I open the door?
Okay.
No, I don't think
Oh,
they're
what-
smart enough.
What the fuck is? Okay. Where the fuck is this guy, man?
Maybe he's just like
What?
AFK.
Where is he?
Shroom
Yeah,
said
but
he's
where
there.
would he
Shroom
be?
says he's there on the stairs. Shroom said he
Where?
saw him. Apparently Shroom saw him. He
Hang-
has a dragon. He's blending in.
He's
That's
a drag. What?
He's
That's
wearing the
that's
armor.
weird. That's no, he's not.
He's
Man.
wearing the armor.
Shroom says.
This guy's... That's him. That's him.
Oh, that's him. Oh.
That's him. No,
Yeah, this
that's
time. Kill him. Kill him. Kill
Oh
him.
my god.
Oh, did you see that? Oh, that's
Okay.
him. That's him, man. Wait, no, that's not. Ah,
him.
move, move,
Shut up
move!
the door.
Did you guys just make up that he's this guy?
I don't
Nah,
Did you guys
oh,
do that?
he's not the sky. He's
That's
just
what
not.
Shroom is saying.
There's no.
No,
way.
no fucking way, man.
Oh, yeah, I need heals.
No.
I need heals again.
We're doing this. We're doing this. Guys,
we are.
I'm not anymore.
We're staying.
You
and
see it? You
fighting.
see?
Come on.
You see, tunneling was good.
I'm
Tunneling
not
was good.
afraid anymore.
I'm not afraid anymore.
I'm not. Oh, I'm scared.
Get him.
I stunned him a little.
Yeah.
Still fight.
This
Oh
is,
my goodness.
This is stupid, man.
No, get his ass. Get his ass.
We still don't even know where that guy is.
No, I see him. Isn't he up there?
No, that's just a special like NPC. I'm pretty sure.
Is it? He's scary. Look
Yeah.
at him standing up
There's no
there.
fucking NPC here. What?
I don't
Wouldn't there be
know.
a name tag?
Ow!
Wait, he'd have a name
Maybe
tag.
he's-
Man.
What if he's blending with the environment?
I
Oh
don't
my
think
fucking!
so.
I'm gonna
Is he
cry.
emoting? He's emoting.
That's him.
He's emoting. That's him.
That's totally him. He just rolled.
Please.
No. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Wait, no, go back.
Let's
Summon
summon-
me.
yeah,
Summon me.
Yeah, I'm summoning you for that.
Close the door on him. Close the door.
Yeah, close the door on him. Close the door on
Oh,
him.
he's killing Shroom. Just get in. Just get in. Just get in. We'll close this one.
True.
It's down, Shaman. It's down. It's down.
Great curry. Oh, that was the normal. That was a
Oh, that's
normal
just
enemy. That was a
guy.
normal enemy.
Wait, but he was gesturing and backstepping.
You should.
Summon me. Summon me.
We're coming. I'm so confused.
I don't know.
Where is the guy? Where is the guy?
I have footage of him gesturing and backstepping for no reason.
I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. Jump over this.
So it's just like a cool night.
But that was so human.
Oh, they might have heard me. I had voice chat on. Just call him fucking mean shit and just call him.
I you had that on.
Fucking trying to negotiate with the invader. Where is he, bro? Okay, my son is down.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to go on a thorough exploration because
I
I want to
see you.
find this motherfucker and I want to kill him. I want to do his head in.
I'm scared, man. I'm scared he's gonna
Get
be
up here.
behind like one of these doors.
I know. He's gonna ambush one of us.
I'm baiting Shroom a little. Hold on. He's at the top of those stairs, I think.
He must
Is that
be,
him?
right?
I don't know, but like, why would he just be
Yeah,
standing there?
Oh wait, no, that's the dragon bow. But why are they bowing if they attack us? Right?
I don't know.
No, because we would see his health.
No, it's Cobsy! It is! He's been cosplaying this whole time!
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god. He waited for us. Wait, hold on. Let me communicate. Bro, can you hear me? Can you emote? Can you do like an emote? Can you hear me? Okay, roll if you hear me. Roll, bro. Roll. Oh, I had no
Oh,
focus.
you see?
Okay.
Yeah, kill him.
He's
Get
the
him.
best.
Get his
This
ass.
guy.
Get his ass. Get his ass.
Yep. Okay.
Wait.
That was not scary.
Yeah, he got his ass kicked, man. He got his ass whooped.
That was awesome.
We 4v1'd after all that.
We actually stayed and fought.
You see it? It worked
well,
out.
we-
We ended it up. We ended it all.
I can't believe this is still like the same. Like I'm on my same
Yeah.
life from like 30 minutes ago.
Okay,
We've been alive for
now
a
we
long
can
time.
fight the dragon, guys.
Yeah,
now
yeah.
we can
If
fight
we
the
don't
dragon. Now we
win
can
this-
fight.
What if we'll see.
We have to end this once and for all. This is like the final boss.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, let's
Are we-
go.
Are we all ready?
You have to stay like
Yeah.
by I think the outside of
Let's go.
his like foot. I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
I think
don't
it's
have a good
set
feeling
for
about
that.
this.
Yeah, me neither. Uh oh. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Think of it like Fortnite.
Oh, he has
It's
so
like
much.
Fortnite.
He's flying.
So
Go for
much.
the tail.
Okay. Go for the hill. Oh lord.
Crewmate. Okay.
Get his
Doing
ass.
pretty good.
He won!
You had to say something.
He's flying again.
Oh.
Go for the tail.
Ah!
Oh my god, his tail almost just killed me by landing.
Whoa!
I'm wearing the fucking Mirror Knight armor.
Oh, that was so close.
Okay, that does damage actually. I need stamina though. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's so far away. No, I'm not making that.
So getting hit. Oh my god.
Wait, oh, I jumped. Oh, jumping helps. Jumping
Oh,
helps.
that's a good point.
Wait, is this his foot?
He's
I don't know.
jumping
I guess
again.
not.
I'm
Oh,
close,
fuck.
I'm close, I'm close.
Wait, what? I'm gonna hit his tail. Whoa.
Die. I'm dead.
Oh, you died in one hit.
In one hit.
Yeah, you die in one hit.
Mine's like before the guy at the final bridge or final hallway or whatever.
I see it. Don't these guys still aggro me or something?
I don't know. I got scared of them. That's why I didn't go further.
I think it's like they aggro you if you like touch them, like nudge against them.
Yo, this guy's friends with me, man.
Oh,
He loves me.
Maybe they'll like me if I turn into an egg.
you gonna fight him like that?
What if
What the? Ah!
Oh my god!
I attacked him. I attacked him. I attacked Max. I
Oh
jumped
my
into him. I
God.
fucking jumped into him. I jumped into him. I didn't think that was gonna damage him.
Wig, no! I'm watching Glenn get destroyed. All right,
Yeah.
don't jump into this guy.
Alright. Oh, oops! That was an accident. That was an accident. That was an accident. That was legit,
Oh.
legitness on
Oh, you
good
summoned me already?
is an
Okay.
accident.
Yeah, let's go!
Not bad.
Alright, be careful with your attacks.
Click.
I'm gonna do it!
Yep. I knew it.
Ah, I did the long animation. I got confident. Okay.
Yeah. So he's like up against the wall. Oh my god.
Nice. We're doing pretty good. What the fuck?
No, no way.
Yeah, jumping really helps actually.
Okay, rule number 1. No jinxing it.
I found that. Where is he? Okay.
I always get hit by it.
Oh shit. Uh oh. I'm gonna get hit
I'm
for this.
dead. The fire.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
He
Well, that's awkward.
Okay. Pinky promise I won't die to start again.
Yeah.
Oh! 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 What the fuck was that? What did I just do?
Let's go.
Alright,
I
okay.
was so ready to just die and then go down slowly.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go again.
Fight. Stay on fight.
Attempt number 3.
Stay on fight.
This is where we end things.
Okay. Okay.
Jesus.
I'm okay, I'm okay.
Oh, I'm not surviving this, guys. Oh,
You're alive!
Fuck.
I can't believe I'm
Oh my
alive.
goodness gracious.
Name more.
I'm gonna get hit again.
I need to just
It's okay, guys.
kill him.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump off the sail again.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
He's stepping, he's stepping.
Be careful. Be careful. Coming.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm scared though.
Okay.
Oh.
Run. Alright. Nobody got hurt by
We're
that.
doing. Oh.
Did he step again? Oh yeah, he does.
Doing a 2-step.
Check this out.
Look at that.
Cut it off!
Uh oh, watch out.
Tail slam.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh no, he's stepping.
We fucking did it. We did it.
Oh, okay, hold on, do the thing, do the thing.
We need to.
Good. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Got it.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
No.
not afraid anymore!
Man.
Oh, we did it. Only 3 tries. Well, where do we go now?
We can
We could do the actual final bosses.
Alright, let's go beat the game.
Yo. Alright. Dark Souls final episode, Word of the Day,
No.
Presumptuous, episode 4. Final episode. Throne Watchers and Throne Defender and Vendrick and Vengarl. Let's go.
Thank you for that speech.
Huh? Hold on, kill this fucking weird thing. I don't know.
Thing. I can't hit him, my arms are too short.
I.
Oh,
Sure
live
died.
Ah.
Well, they're dead.
Nah.
That was like really. Oh shit! That was like really hard, Sherman.
Oh, we
Cool.
leave? Okay, bye.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
bye. Where are my friends? I don't even see Vengarl anymore.
Can you not summon for the
What's
final
that?
boss?
No way.
There's no fucking way.
This bitch is scary, man.
Yeah, this is the final boss.
You're right.
This is the worst fucking boss in the game. I would rather fight the
Who
fucking.
is
Oh my,
this?
oh my goodness.
I don't know.
Who-
I would rather fight the fucking rats, man.
I'd fight the dragon again.
No, for real. To this day.
She
Do
ugly.
we have to watch this?
Yeah, it's a final
I didn't even
boss.
remember it was a cutscene, man.
Of course there is. It's the final boss.
Okay, I'll give her 30 seconds.
She's so
maybe
hot.
maybe 15. No, for real.
Alright, kill her.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay.
Don't touch those. Wait, no, touch those.
Yeah, smash him.
Break them, break them, break them, break them, break them.
I'm getting cursed. I'm cursed.
Yeah, touch the things. Oh,
Yeah, that's why you can get close to them.
Oh, I'm gonna throw knives at her. That's how I win.
This boss is like,
What a
this
climax.
boss is like good. Oh my, you kidding me?
Shrimp guy killed by the AoE attack, man.
The iconic explosion attack. It's just you and me.
Iconic to fucking explosion. Dance.
Yo, what's up, man? Oh, oh yeah,
Oh my God.
hold on, I'm sorry. Wait, where's the other boss?
I'm going through a door right now. That was the other boss.
No,
Yeah.
where's the other boss? No, there's literally another boss. What happened?
What is it?
Okay,
The scholar, it's the scholar, it's the scholar, but it's the scholar, it's the scholar. Yeah, that's there at that arena.
Can you multiplayer that one?
I don't know. I haven't finished the game. But you didn't fight the final boss, what the fuck?
I don't know, man. I'm just gonna take my throne and do the DLC.
Oh, okay, we beat the game. Yay! Yay!
Yeah, I think that's a good place to end it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do the DLCs another time.
Yeah.